Clean water is an invaluable resource in today's world. Water is an essential part of many industrial processes, and there is a growing requirement for even more specialist applications to manage water. Flootech solutions have been developed to meet the most stringent requirements in today's world. Flootech is the water partner of choice for clients in the public and private sectors, and the leading source of water expertise for engineers and consultants across the globe. Flootech's design engineers use advanced tools for 3D modeling. Our partners for manufacturing Flootech products are qualified and carefully selected. Flootech solutions ensure that your company makes the most effective use of water resources you employ. We deliver solutions for the most demanding requirements. Flootech delivered technologies such as FluDAF microflotation, FluSand sand filtration, and FluIX ion exchange technology to the largest wood processing plant in the Northern Hemisphere. We allow our customers to focus on their core business and improve profitability by providing solutions and services to produce high-quality water, minimize and decrease water consumption, energy usage, and environmental impact. Flootech operates around the globe and has an extensive network of partners worldwide. Flootech's expertise ensures that water is treated responsibly in a most energy-efficient way and enabling excellent environmental performance. Flootech is your partner in water management, now and in the future.